How well do trucking companies treat their drivers? That's what we asked Arizona Attorney Montana Thompson in this Ask the Lawyers quick question.
You know, some do and some don't. We've learned of trucking companies who have more than an 80% turnover every year of their drivers. Obviously, a company like that isn't treating their drivers very well. That's not true of all trucking companies, though. There's local and regional companies that tend to do better, have better safety ratings. But it's something that we hope drivers are being treated well during this time. We owe a lot of thanks to these truck drivers to continue to keep our goods and services transported and keeping us well stocked. So we definitely appreciate the drivers, and we hope that they are being treated well.